I have a grohe shower handle, single handle. I need to remove the handle and trim so that the wall can be repaired. I cannot figure out how to remove the handle. This is a hole on the bottom of the handle and have seen references to there possibly being an Allen screw in there to loosen but cannot locate it or see it. Any advice?
Hello and thank you for using the service. I will assist you today with your question to the best of my ability. Do not rate service until completed.
Hello?
You are correct. Within this hole is a set screw in which an Allen wrench is used to remove the set screw. It is a relatively small Allen wrench that is used. Probably a 1/16 of an inch or 5/64 of an inch for size.
Any idea how to locate it? The body of the handle that has the hole freely spins, so I have no idea what the proper location is, nor do I know what size to use.
Once the set screw is removed, the handle should slide off.
Also, does the water need to be shut off for the handle to be removed?
The set screw is typically mounted on the bottom side, so rotate the trim to the bottom. I would place the Allen wrench in the hole and rotate until a resistance occurs, then move slightly towards the resistance.
Would you expect the screw to be flush, up against, with the hole? Mine is not. There is a space between the hole and the stuff inside.
I should have said once you feel the resistance, pull the wrench out slightly and reposition towards the resistant area, then reinsert. You should find the screw.
And does the water to the shower cartridge need to be off?
No, it shouldn't be flush up against it. It doesn't need to be off to remove the handle and trim, but don't go any farther than that.
Okay. I will keep trying to locate it.
Okay, good luck. I'm sure you will get it. Keep trying and have patience. Try the smaller of the Allen wrenches. I know it's small. Like the 1/16 of an inch. If there is anything further I can do to assist you, please don't hesitate to ask. Please remember to rate the service when completed. Thank you.
I am not convinced that there is a screw in there. Would that make any sense?
If there is no set screw, then it was removed by someone and it is held on only by corrosion.
Okay. I give up. Been looking for the screw for a couple of hours now. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.